The Roush windshield banner is a good choice for anyone looking to show some Roush pride across the top of their 09 to 14 F-150's glass. This comes in the etched glass look in order to blend in more and look like it's a part of your windshield. They can pick it up for just under the $30 mark, and the installation obviously gets 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. This is an extremely easy way to add some customization to your truck, and if you're a fan of Roush, then it's right up your alley. Roush is responsible for countless performance and styling parts ranging from one side of the spectrum to the other, and throwing a banner on your front windshield shows some of that pride. The etched glass looks exactly as it sounds. The lettering will look like it was etched into your glass, which is a lot more subtle than straight up white or black banners. This styling can be yours for just about 25 to 30 bucks, which isn't too bad of a price considering the quality here. The vinyl is top notch and withstands the harshest outdoor climates, so you don't have to worry about it peeling off. It's also a creative way to block some of the sun from your eyes taking on your daily commute, since it's conveniently placed at the top of your windshield, and the etched styling acts as that resistant layer on your glass. The installation is super simple. You'll just need a squirt bottle with soap and water mixture in it, and a helping hand would make life a lot easier, but it's not entirely necessary. You'll clean off the windshield where you're applying the vinyl so it gets a good bond with the glass, wet both the glass and the vinyl, and apply it once the back is peeled off. From here, you'll just straighten it out, set it into place, and use the squeegee to push out the bubbles and wrinkles for a smoother finish. Now that just about wraps this one up, so if you're the owner of an 09 to 14 F-150, you might want to check out the Roush etched glass windshield banner, which you can find right here at AmericanTrucks.com.